Hey guys, I'm making this video today because during the review, a lot of you were getting confused about the process of the photosynthesis and forgetting about the difference between reactants and products, and or forgetting where the reactants come from or what they look like. And a lot of that's going to be on the test, so I thought I would just go over that one more time as a YouTube video and have you guys review it before the test. So it's pretty easy. Let's start with the reactants. Reactants are the things that the plant takes in to do photosynthesis. And there are three reactants. The first reactant we talked about was radiant energy. None of the photosynthesis process can happen without radiant energy. And you already knew, hopefully, that radiant energy is the energy from the sun. The next reactant is carbon dioxide. Plants need carbon dioxide to perform photosynthesis. You need to remember that it is a reactant, and you need to remember that it is a gas taken from the air. That's going to be on the test. The third reactant is water. Water is absorbed from the roots and the air. That should be a keyword as soon as you see on your test when it starts asking you the reactant that is taken in from the roots. That should be your keyword to know that I'm asking for water. So those are your three reactants, the things that the plant takes in to perform photosynthesis. Now, once the plant performs photosynthesis, then you have the products. The products are what the plant releases. In this case, we have two products. The main product, the one that's the most important, the one that the plant wants to begin with, is glucose, also known as sugar. You need to remember that sugar is used for the plant's food, and it's what stores its energy. It's where it gets its energy from. When you hear the word energy or stores energy, those are your key words to remember that I'm asking for glucose, which is a product. The other product for photosynthesis is oxygen. You need to remember that oxygen is a gas, and you need to remember that it's given off as a byproduct. Byproduct means it's something that the plant doesn't need. Lucky for us, because it releases it into the air for us to use. So please go over these reactants and these products, especially remembering to take a look at the little keywords that I gave you so that you will do well on this part of the test. Good luck to you.